We're at the Holiday Inn in Ottawa, Kansas. Just had a nice conversation with these guys, bikers, parking out here. We got everything loaded up and we're getting ready to hit the Flint Hills Trail, right?
Yeah, Flint Hills something trail.
Yeah, Flint Hills something trail. All we know is we're in Kansas. We're gonna head east for about 20 miles. And then we're gonna head double back just so we can go to the start of the trail and say that we started at the beginning of the trail. But this was the only place that had like a hotel. So we stayed here last night, parked the car, all that stuff. Javier is ready and loaded. Jerry's got the new tool, the Wahoo, playing with that.
See if I can figure it out. Probably not.
Here's the ECR loaded up. Got the chair on there today. Added that little jewel. So we're gonna head out. Javier is on the case.
Yeah.
We are riding the streets of Ottawa. Heading to the, actually on the trail now, believe it or not, but it does run through the town on 7th Street. It's a teeny tiny oil well, but it is an oil well. Osawatomie. That's what we think it's called. This is the start of the Flint Hills Nature Trail. But there's no hotel here, so if you want a hotel, you're going to stay in Ottawa. We're at the Whistle Stop Cafe. This is the place to eat, I think.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think they got business here.
It's good food. Double cheeseburger and a patty melt, some
melt.
French fries.
Yep. One trip to the salad bar.
They have a
Had
buffet
gherkins.
here.
Gherkins on the salad bar.
Good food though. It's a good place to stop and eat if you're ever here. It's called the Whistle Stop Cafe in Osawatomie. Good stuff. Outside the Casey's, getting some water, sugary snacks, Gatorade, taking a break. 46 miles or so we've ridden, something like that. 46 or 47 miles.
7.8.
47.8. We got another 20 or so to go till we get to the campground, so we're making good progress. So there's a detour. We're riding gravel roads and we love it.
Yeah.
You wanna make it?
I'm gonna make it. I'll pull through.
He's gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Got some good road, no traffic yet. This is Pomona State Park. What we have here is a tent that you've actually never set up before. You don't know anything about it.
Nope. Nope.
It's an Amazon purchase.
I think so. It's been a while. I was wanting to camp sooner than this.
Yeah.
So it's a Winterial.
Okay.
I think it's called the single person tent. Pretty explanatory. Even I can figure that one out.
All right. So
But this is not coming with ground cloth, so I got one.
So you got some Tyvek you're going to use for your ground cloth, which is perfect actually. Really good stuff. Really lightweight, waterproof.
I'm not really sure how big of a footprint I need, so I'm just going to unfold the whole thing.
Yeah, just unfold the whole deal and
Start with that.
yep. That's good.
A couple rocks put on the corners.
We'll come back and check on you here in a little bit, see how it's going. I'm going to set up over here with the big Agnes. There's the footprint, so I'll get that stuff out. There it is. You know, you are a dedicated product tester. It's the one man. Oh, look at that. Okay.
Tiny.
So you got the screen and all that stuff on here on this side.
Yeah, and I might have to adjust this over here, but it looks, I don't know.
It's got one loop, right? So
Yeah, one big loop and a little loop.
and one small loop down here. Okay. Well, yeah.
So it's a little more than a bivvy,
Yeah,
you know?
it's really more of a one-man tent, basically. Super, like, compact one-man.
Yeah, yeah. And you know, I'm not real good with confined spaces.
Well, it looks like you can get your air mattress in there, maybe.
This is the view outside my tent this morning. Sun's coming up. Lake looks beautiful. The best part of waking up is Jerry having a fire going already. What a fantastic campsite, though.
Yeah.
This lake and
Here's some of the birds starting to rouse early, you know?
yeah. Here's where we're at. We didn't really get a chance to show too much of this last night because it got dark by the time we got here.